In Newton's first law of motion, which quantity remains constant? Option A is correct. Law of inertia satisfies. Option A is correct. A projectile is launched, its velocity is maximum at. Option A is correct. The net displacement divided by the total time t is known as. Option C is correct. The velocity time graph of a motion starting from rest with uniform acceleration is a straight line. Option A is correct. The numerical ratio of displacement to distance is. Option D is correct. A train is 200 m long and is moving with uniform velocity of 36 kilometers per hour. The time it will take to cross a bridge of 1 kilometer is. Option B is correct. A man walks for some time with velocity v due east. Then he walks for same time with velocity v due north. The average velocity for the man is. Option B is correct. A boy walks to his school at a distance of 6 kilometers with a speed of 3 kilometers per hour and walks back with a constant speed of 2 kilometers per hour. His average speed for round trip in kilometers per h is. Option B is correct. The area under the acceleration time graph represent. Option C is correct. The velocity time plot for a particle moving on a straight line is shown in the figure. Option A is correct. A ball is dropped from the roof of a very tall building. What is its velocity after falling for 5.0 s? Option C is correct. When released from a height, a ball falls 5 m in ones. In fours after release, it will fall. Option A is correct. An object in a satellite orbiting around the Earth is weightless because. Option C is correct. A ball of mass 5 kilograms is dropped from a height of 78.4 m. Time taken by the ball to hit the ground is. Option B is correct. A feather and lead ball are dropped from rest in vacuum on the moon. The acceleration of feather is. Option B is correct. Which property is constant for a body in free fall? Option A is correct. A ball is dropped from the roof of a very tall building. What is its velocity after falling for 5.00 seconds? Option C is correct. What is the acceleration of a falling stone whose velocity increases from 80 meters per second to 100 meters per second in twos? Option B is correct. Bodies which fall freely under the action of gravity is an example of. Option A is correct. A mass accelerates uniformly when the resultant force acting on it is. Option B is correct. The property of the moving object by virtue of which it exerts force on the object that tries to stop it is. Option A is correct. Which of the following makes the motion of a perpetual motion machine a physical impossibility? Option B is correct. When we kick a stone, we get hurt. It happens due to. Option C is correct. Newton's first law of motion provides. Option A is correct.